So today's Friday, October 10th. I just got absolutely cooked by a Trump tweet. I'm going to show you the trade I took and how I lost on it. So there was Red Roller news coming out at 10 a.m. today, so I wanted to wait until after the Red Roller news came out to actually start trading. When the Red Roller news came out, we really didn't get much of a reaction, but we did leave behind this data high up here, so that was definitely a good target. There's also these relative equal highs up here, and there's all-time highs, which is also a previous day high up here. So I definitely got some good bullish targets, and then we came down, we swept out this low, and it was actually tapping into a 5-minute gap, but also a 15-minute gap on the higher time frame. I know the 5-minute gap was really small, but see when I switch to the 5-minute, there's like this really small 5-minute right here, and there's also a 15-minute if I go to 15-minute. But, so I see that we created this bearish gap. We immediately inversed it. It wasn't the next candle, but it was the candle right after. One thing I did not like about this setup was this candle didn't close too strong. See, we get this huge wick to the top side. So it's not the best closure through this gap, but the setup at first was not looking too bad. We were pretty much consolidating, but then about a half an hour later, Trump came out and then he tweeted something about China. So this is pretty much the dumpage that followed suit. So honestly, if it wasn't for that tweet, I'd say this setup isn't honestly too bad. These data highs, in my opinion, are a very strong draw. So I believe that NQ or ES had to hit it, like at least. So I was going to go break even there. So that was a trade I was willing to take, but pretty much I got destroyed by news. So I'm definitely going to end the week here and I'll try again next week, but next week will probably be a better week.